In today's video, I'll show you how to cancel your Beautiful.ai subscription. First, search for Beautiful.ai in your browser and log into the account that has an active subscription. Make sure you're logged into the correct workspace, especially if you manage multiple presentations or teams. Once logged in, look at the top right corner of the screen and click your workspace name or profile icon. From the drop-down menu, select Manage Account to open your account settings. Next, navigate to the Billing section. This is where you can view your current plan details, billing cycle, and payment information. Under the Plan Overview area, you'll see your active subscription listed. From here, click Manage Plan under your current plan. This will open additional options related to your subscription. Then, click Cancel. In my case, it shows Cancel Trial because I'm currently using a trial subscription with Beautiful.ai. After clicking Cancel, Beautiful.ai may ask you to confirm your choice or provide feedback. Simply follow the on-screen prompts to complete the process. Once confirmed, your subscription will be scheduled for cancellation, and you'll still have access until the end of your billing period or trial. And that's it. That's how you cancel your Beautiful.ai subscription.